I'm JJ Ramberg, and welcome to Your Business, where we will spend the next half hour exploring the world of small business. Over the years, we've heard our fair share of business owners complain about too much government regulation. But one entrepreneur is doing the exact opposite. She spent time in Washington lobbying for more rules around her industry. Deeply concerned about the toxins she says we're using in our everyday products, she started her own cosmetics and skincare line and wants others to copy the way she's doing things.
As women, when we lock arms or we decide to do something, we can move mountains.
And that is exactly what Gregg is doing with her skincare and cosmetics line, Beautycounter.
I started Beautycounter because I had become impassioned with the environmental health movement.
After watching the documentary An Inconvenient Truth, Gregg became concerned about what she perceived as everyday dangers in our environment.
I had learned that we were being exposed to toxic chemicals through our personal care and cosmetic products, and I was trying to find safer solutions for my family.
While hoping to elevate the standard of safety in her home, the mother of three discovered some startling facts about the skincare and cosmetics industry.
We have not passed a federal law regulating this industry since 1938. Companies are allowed to pretty much do what they want. We have introduced over 85,000 chemicals into commerce since World War II, of which almost 80%, or some will say between 80 and 90%, have never been tested for safety and human health.
These realities soon evolved into the inspiration for Beautycounter. Gregg thought her vision was simple. Create a line that was 100% safe with high-performing results.
The first phone call I made was to Christy Coleman, who is a celebrity and fashion makeup artist, who was the first leading makeup artist to really clean up her kit and to try to use safer products on her clients.
I absolutely wanted to prove, as an industry expert, that this could be done.
Gregg also brought on Mia Davis, the former operating director of the Campaign for Safe Cosmetics.
The idea was to really have those two pillars equally represented on our platform. I started meeting with a number of consultants and labs. We took a list of almost 1,500 ingredients and said, we can't use those ingredients, but the products have to perform. And people thought we were crazy. They said we couldn't do it.
The trio finally stumbled upon a few people willing to give it a shot.
What I love about Gregg is she's extremely passionate and unstoppable.
We spent a couple of years raising capital, running between our tiny two offices, hardly sleeping at all at night, trying to screen hundreds of chemicals and ingredients.
Beautycounter launched in 2013 with the highest level of transparency and unparalleled standards in safety.
We created an incredibly strict ingredient screening process, one of the most health protective processes in the country, if not in the world.
Gregg's customers became believers, so much so that she's recruited nearly 8,000 of them to make up a robust network of passionate consultants.
They're sharing the story of Beautycounter. They're sharing the story of safe ingredients and helping communities and families make better choices.
Products are also sold on the Beautycounter's website, and strategic partnerships with brands like J. Crew and Gwyneth Paltrow's lifestyle site Goop have played a big part in Beautycounter's booming business.
We just passed the 1 million product mark. We've shipped over 1 million products. I'm really proud of where we are today. We grew over 500% last year. We've grown almost 350% this year.
But Gregg's mission goes beyond just growing her company. With the company's success under her belt, she set her sights last year higher, on Capitol Hill, determined to be a voice for change.
We have taken action in Washington, meeting with everyone in Washington, introducing them to Beautycounter, to a company that is both pro-commerce and pro-regulation.
She wants to empower politicians with knowledge and awareness in hopes of inspiring some significant legislation reform.
We want the FDA to be able to take action, to be able to screen for harmful ingredients, and to protect American citizens. The EU has banned close to 1,400 ingredients from all of their personal care products, of which the United States has banned 11 to date.
This past spring, Beautycounter employees celebrated their second anniversary by staging a major stunt in hopes of getting lawmakers to take action.
We hosted Beautycounter socials across this country. We had well more than 1,000, and during those socials we encouraged our consultants and their guests to call their senators and to tell them that we want more health protective laws. We placed thousands of phone calls and they called us back. They were saying that they heard us loud and clear. I think it's safe to say that we're not even creating a movement, we are already a movement.
Beautycounter is a perfect example of how one idea passion and a real commitment to yourself and a world that you believe in, it's absolutely possible to make anything happen.
We always say at Beautycounter, we have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity right now to build a really great company that's financially rewarding, solid, and sound, while simultaneously having significant social impact. I mean, it's the greatest job in the world.